Hi, my name is gduggina and my ID is 09894555. I'm recording this video regarding the multi-queue scheduling algorithm, which is the project 2 for us, and I have used Visual Studio and C++ to execute these files, and I'm going to show you the files that I have used in the project, which has one header file which contains all the class data followed by two CPP files. In the header files I have declared variables called Q1, Q2, Q3 for the 3 queues, followed by process ID, and I have also declared a wait time, turnaround time, followed by arrival time and burst time, and a temporary storage. And I also used quantum 1, quantum 2 and quantum 3 for the 3 queues, which are 4, 8 and 12 respectively. And I have also used average waiting time and turnaround time and response time. And this is the default constructor without parameters used to initialize the queues at the first hand. And this is initialization, prototype and display prototype and round robin prototype for all the three methods. And I'm going to show you the real content of those methods, starting from the initialization phase. In the initialization phase, the user has to provide a number of process followed by arrival time and burst time for each process, and the time quantum will be 4 for the default. And this is the round robin scheduling algorithm. Here where the real code lies, here I have calculated response time followed by the quantum 1, which is respectively 4, followed by a random variable which is used to calculate the IDs of each process at the random, and a turnaround time for each process and waiting time for each process, and followed by Q2, which contains all the processes which are not executed or completed in the Q1, and this is the wait time and turnaround time. And here is the average waiting time, turnaround time and average response time, followed by the display method, which is used to display the contents of the queue. Now I'm going to execute the code for you. I have missed the main file. Here I have declared an object of the scheduler followed by choice, which is used by the user to choose among the choices of initialization, round robin and display. Now I'm going to execute the code for you. I'm going to initialize the queue at the first time. For the simple execution, I am using two processes which have the following: by arrival time and burst time. And now I'm going to implement round robin, and this is the results of implementing the round robin. And this is the average waiting time and average turnaround time and average response time. And I'm going to display the contents of the queue which are initialized at the first time. This is the contents of the queue, and this is all for the execution. And I'm going to submit all the files which are required for you to compile the code in your computer. Use a Visual Studio to compile the code, and don't forget to extract the files before compiling it in the Visual Studio. And I'm also submitting the readme file which contains the screenshots and the steps to compile the code, and which is followed by like a Word document which contains all the code, and I'm submitting them into the canvas along with this video. Thank you.